Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to layer two images together in photopea. Let's begin. Create a new document. Then go to File, Open and place image on and hold Control image 2. Click Open and use sense opacity or change blending mode, multiply, overlay or adjust rasterize. Convert to smart object, then rasterize. Hold Control, select two images, go to Video tab, Auto Blend. Right click, rasterize, then again apply the same process. Wait 5 seconds, adjust to layer. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.